And today, we're playing more Subway Surfers. Why does it make my face look so oval when it's not? It's stupid, but I'm gonna sit up so it's easier. And freaking free. Okay. I'm playing Subway Surfers. When it loads, okay. It's not even doing that. So we're gonna go to me and get some rewards. Super Mission Master gets us 3 keys. And then Super Mission Master gets us overload gets us 5 keys. So this has a higher purpose. Complete 6 missions in 1 run. Huh. Yeah, I'm totally gonna do that very soon. Thursday. So there's 4 hours left of Marco. Oh yeah, dark outfit. Yeah, that was... Yeah. There's all these characters. It's really hard to keep. And there's the quick guys who just got coins. Frank is probably my favorite. I always like the clown version. I always use the clown version for some reason. I just always did. Delete that. More coins, not really. There's a lot more coins. And yeah, when you're on your hoverboard, tip, if you've never played this before, well, use your hoverboard when you're about to die, and then you won't die. You'll like make everything go away, and then you'll survive and stuff. Pick up 2 sneakers. Times 3, so I did 1 mission. Now I have to do 5 more to get that challenge done, and then you get like 10 keys, which is freaking crazy. Like, see, this is where you need your mouse. That's where it's supposed to have your mouse. Now it's got a 6 multiplier, because we got that times 2, and we're going to this. And if you want to get all the coins on those buses and stuff, then just like go up and then go down immediately, like you're about to roll. I always do that to get coins from the gas. It saves time. Most pro players use it. Didn't really used to use it till now, till I found that so we beat our high score. We don't have a 6 times multiplier again. It's about to run out now. So we got another one. Yeah. If we beat this guy, then we'll go into the bronze league. Probably not going to beat him until we're higher up. Well, 30 times? That's easy. Pretty. Surfer. Save it. Things. Okay, whatever. So, top run. Oh, I'm in bronze league. So I'm in bronze league right now. So if we finish in in Bronze League, then we'll get that bronze medal. And then if we finish in silver, then we finish in this. If we finish in silver, then we'll get a silver medal. It's all like that. And if you finish in diamond, gold, you'll get a gold medal or a diamond medal. I think there's platinum too, which is I think is like 1,000,000 scores. You have to get 1,000,000 scores into platinum. But this week, people are really slacking. 600,000, bro, that's not a lot. I've beaten that. I can't even show you the high score if I ever want to my mom's phone. Probably not gonna happen. Oh, blah. I either got 600,000, like over 600,000. I either got over 600,000 or over 500,000. I've definitely gotten close to 500,000 or more than 500 or 600,000. I've definitely got to 500,000. I remember do it. Oh, let's see, you can save yourself with one key. But I'm not gonna do that. So we're gonna go home and go to me. And then go to reward. And then clock us. 3, 2, straight ahead. Then we can get it. Then this is 90 keys. It's probably not going to get that easy. With that selected. Sorry, I was talking but there is a 4,000 board that's called the Lumberjack. I used it before, and it's probably the best one. No, I'm just kidding. Monsters, nothing. This one is plastic. And then that one, we always use the speed up. And then there's these guys, I already showed you them. Tricky is really easy to get. I've gotten her on the first 3 games that I got the mystery thing, so. That was a long time ago when this game first came out. And it was like so easy to get characters. Crazy. I have to go up here. Look at this. Whoa. Yeah. I'm not gonna do that. So, at least we're in Bronze League. But, yeah, I'm probably gonna end the video here, guys. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this, and if you did, leave a like, and see you guys on the next video, and peace.